Alright, welcome everyone. Good afternoon. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to use TradingView mobile PC websites. So I won't really be showing how to use it on mobile because I'm having issues with my phone right now. So I'm trying to screen record on my phone, then send it, then combine it with this video, but I'm not saying it's not possible right now. So I'll be using PC only. I'll be using PC. So I'll be explaining also the way it is going to be on phone. So this is the TradingView app, the TradingView website for. You can also use it to trade, but we use MetaTrader for to trade. All right. When you log in, this is what you are going to see. You have to sign up first. It's always looking like jargons when you log in, but you just have to calm down and then check what you need. Let's go ahead. First things first, you need to know that we want to look at the charts. So we only need the charts from what we can see on the page here. We need the charts. It's loading, but for mobile application you are going to see list of either stocks or currency pairs. So this is what you are going to do for mobile. You are going to see something like this here. Yes, maybe stock. You are going to see stocks like Apple, whatever. All you need to do is just to swipe to the right on your mobile phone. Swipe to the right, then delete it. You are going to see delete. You just press delete. And if you want to add, you see add symbol on mobile phone. It's there. You just click on add to add your best currency pair. Maybe AUD USD. AUD USD. So we always advise when you see the search coming out, you use what? You use Oanda. We always use Oanda. So Oanda is always advised. You can see AUD has already added. So if you want to add another one, click on add again. Add is on mobile phone. I'm very sure add is on mobile phone. GBP USD. So you click on Oanda. You see is a long list. So you click on Oanda. Then the currency pair will be added shortly. Yes, you can see it's already added. So you can just delete it by swiping to the right, click on delete. That is that about that. So this is my own watch list here. You can see I've already added my currency pairs, the ones I trade most, which is the AUD JPY, Euro USD, CAD Yen, and USD JPY. Alright, so okay, I'm coming right now. Let me pause the video, then we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, as I was saying, you swipe to the right on the mobile phone. Just swipe. This is the currency pair on your mobile phone. Just swipe to the right. Then you see delete, then you delete it. Click on add. Add is there. I just checked it right now. So you click on add, then you see add. So this is the chart. This is what we have. This is how it is going to be. This is the way it is going to be like. Alright, so when you click on the pair, it's going to come up. The chart is going to come up. Yes, this is the chart for AUD JPY. This is the chart for AUD JPY. Now, to use this TradingView application, we have a lot of features which I'm not going to explain all because I'm also still learning and I can't explain, or I'm only going to explain what I know. Okay, so this is daily 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. These are different time frames we have. So you just scroll down. For them to show at this top, you start them 5 minutes. You can see 5 minutes is there, 15 minutes is there, 30 minutes is there, 1 hour is there. You can see that I didn't start 30 seconds, so it is not there. Let me start 30 seconds, then you see it's there. Can you see 30 seconds is already added? So let me unstart it because it's not really needed. These are the time frames I use. Alright, so also this AUD you can click on it again to quickly search for another currency pair. Let's check for USD CAD. Then you click USD CAD Oanda. This if you want to just search randomly. Don't forget, if you want to search randomly. But for the ones you've added, if you've added all your currency pairs, you will see it on your mobile phone. It will still be there even if you search randomly for any other pair. So you can just click on it again. instead of searching again for AUDJPY, just click on it again, then you'll see it's AUDJPY is already there. Alright, so I've explained this search button, I've explained the logic behind these ones appearing here. So this one is candlestick. If you change it to bars, you can see it's no longer candlestick. If you change it to Iken Ashi, you can see it's looking like candlestick, but they are not candlesticks. Okay, so that's the way you change. So if you change it to line, you can see now, you can see. So all we need is just Japanese candlesticks. It's already there, so you don't need this one. This one is indicators. That's if you want to add indicators. You can search for your indicator. Let's say moving average. You can see we have moving average. So you just click on it to add it. Simple. That's why you can see these blue lines on mine here. So these are my moving averages. So these are my moving averages. That's the way I added them. Just click on this stuff. You can see indicators and strategies. What do we have again? Yeah, so that's about that. Now for this AUDJPY design, you can see at the back here, that's going to be your own extra assignments. Okay, let's check. It's called watermark. So you go to the settings, so you can see the settings, different settings: regular, percentage, logarithm, labels, time zone. So I'm using Lagos time zone. Alright, this is settings here, and we have another settings here at the top. You can see, so this is the symbol settings, this is the color, where you want to change color. So you can see it's very easy to use. Just try to. So this is the background, the opacity, the scales, appearance. Now this is the appearance. Background is black. You can see black, vertical grid lines, horizontal grid lines, session breaks. So session breaks are these tiny dots you can see here. That's the session break. You can see they are no longer there again if I clear them. So if I mark session break, you can see it's already added. So you can select the color you want for your session break. You can see it has changed to red. So that's the way we work. Yeah. So scales text, that's the text. Scales line, so this is the watermark. You can see AUDJPY has disappeared at the back. Then when I add the watermark, it is added back. It is very simple. Just take your time with the application or with the website. This is trading. Show position. Show that this is for those that are trading. Then event. So you can see everything is well explained. Now back to this place. This is the drawing panel. Here you can see, you just on your phone too, when you click on this, it will show you something like this. So I start the ones I use most, which is the trend line. I start the horizontal line because I use it most. Horizontal ray, I use it most. Those are the three I start here. And under this one, I start only Fibonacci because it's only Fibonacci I use here. And under this one, I start the brush. The brush is for circling a particular area. You can see. So sorry about that. So this is the rectangle. When you click on it, you'll be able to draw lines for support and resistance. You can see how I drew my resistance area here, gotten retested nicely. So that is the way that works. You just draw the horizontal line, then to locate your support and resistance. Now trend line, you can see the name is written on its trend line, so you can just draw your trend line across the charts wherever you want it. On your mobile phone, it is also the same thing. Alright. So I start the ones I use most. The parts, rectangle. So you start the one you also use most. It's the long position if you want to buy. Let's say you are expecting a buy at that point. Expecting a buy at retest. Then you set your long position. This is going to be your stop loss. This red part, 77. You can see it's already edited. 77.328. Then CP 78.302. All right. What again do we need? So this tool is just a toolbox. Now you can see that The ones I start are going to come out here. They are going to come out because I start them at this point. You can see Fibonacci retracement. I start it, so that's why this is it here. Fibonacci retracement. Can you see? Okay, which one did I start again? I start trend line, I start horizontal line, I start horizontal ray. So this is trend line. You can see this is horizontal line and this is the horizontal ray. So if you start it is going to come as an extra as an extra toolbox here, so that it's because you start it means you marked it as your favorite. So when something is your favorite, you know it always comes the first at first. It means you use it the most and you use it at first. All right, so it's now coming out as a toolbox here because I'm using it the most. Then it's making trading easy for me. Instead of me coming here and searching for everything, I just come to this toolbox here. Then I select my trend line. I use it to draw my trend line. Can you see how easy that is? So when I'll just select, then I draw my line. But instead of coming here and start looking for brush, start looking for rectangle, start looking for everything, I just come here, select anyone. This is the Fibonacci tool. Alright, so that's the Fibonacci. So it is very easy, just take your time. I think I've talked about the most important ones. So for mobile phone, it's also the same thing. It's the same thing. So thank you guys for watching. Always don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.